My CRC research program is called Plurilingual Integrated Teaching and Learning. I think in the past 3 decades, research across disciplines like cognitive science, applied linguistics, bilingual education, they all point to the fact that plurilingual speakers, they mobilize their languages and other modalities in order to make meaning and to perform everyday communication acts. So this has great implication to our teaching and learning. The traditional classroom, teachers often still compartmentalize languages. So we are, in this way, we're putting students' wealth of plurilingual resources to waste, but at the same time, it is not helping them to engage in something more complex and more difficult in the second language classroom.
C'est finalement très intéressant, très profitable. Et l'échange entre collègues de différentes disciplines, ça, je me rends compte qu'avec le temps, ça me manquait. Et mais je me trouve plus complète comme enseignant.
The research is important today because of the global development with transnational migration and advancement in technology. So ethno-linguistic diversity is increasing in both the physical and also virtual spaces. And so students are more and more participating in communication that is across national, cultural, and linguistic boundaries. And so then the question as teachers and teacher educators, we have to ask ourselves, how can we engage our students in meaningful learning while at the same time creating equitable and responsible participation in both the physical and virtual learning spaces.
Sonny, c'est une chercheuse extraordinaire parce que c'est quelqu'un de tellement à l'écoute qui va chercher le meilleur de tout le monde. Donc, c'est vraiment un projet super.
Who benefits the most from this research? I would say, first of all, teachers, because the whole idea is to engage teachers in cross-language and cross-curricular collaboration in order to find strategies that can mobilize students' plurilingual and pluricultural resources to learn. And so, in a way, we're working together to build capacity to find solutions to meet the needs for students. It will also benefit students, particularly immigrant students or so-called allophone students. By teaching a language in relation to other languages, whether it is in another second language or students' home languages, it helps students to see that who they are is relevant to this classroom. It really affirms their identity. And of course, the whole research will help build the theory from the ground up and inform the field about what works, what doesn't work, and how we can improve our teaching and learning.
By doing this, we do real research that is valuable in the same way as what some other academics do. And they are grateful to see what we're doing.